Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are back again with another project video. So today we are going to discuss about a project which is created in Core Java language, and this is a project which each and every student is thinking in their mind while creating project development, because it is just like a game. So usually while creating a project, student have some issues in his mind, like he don't want to create a management project. Reason behind that, everyone thinks like that management project is quite easy and simple. So according to me, this is not that much easy. At least once each and every student should try to create management project, because this kind of project give you an overview about how to work with database, how to overcome the problems which arrive while working with database. So if still you want to work with some project which is advanced project, then what you have to do? So we are having a project which is created by a student a few years back. That project is totally based on Core Java. So in Core Java we have tried to create a game which is CBK, which is करोड़पति बनेगा कौन. सो हमने KBC का सिनेरियो यूज करके इस गेम को डेवलप करने की कोशिश की है. कोर जावा की हेल्प से ये गेम कैसे डेवलप होगी, वी विल ट्राई टू डिस्कस दैट इन आवर वीडियो. सो लेट्स बिगिन. As you all see, this is our home page. Here we are having play button which will start the game and exit button which will exit the game. So if I click the play button, the game will start.
किस तबला वादक का नाम भारत के एक पूर्व राष्ट्रपति का भी नाम है? ए. किशन महाराज, बी. फैयाज खान, सी. संदीप दास, डी. जाकिर हुसैन.
You all can see that question has been arrived. It has been dictated by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. This is the timer going on. The all lifelines which are available here. Stop time is a kind of a new lifeline which we have created. When we click the stop time, the time will be stopped. So now we have unlimited amount of time to solve this question. So flip, audience poll, 50-50, X2, these all are new kind of lifeline. If I press the X2, it is a kind of I will be like double tap option. I will be able to answer twice if my answer is wrong. Let's see, I am pressing D. According to me, D is the answer, so I am pressing D. He is asking,
बिल्कुल सही जवाब आपका. 5,000 रुपए जीत गए आप. आमतौर पर शतरंज के खेल में राजा एक समय में कितने घर चल सकता है? A. 1, B. 2.5, C. 3, D. 4.
So this is the next question. Now I have tried to X2. He's saying that already we have used this lifeline. I am pressing 50-50. Two options has been excluded. So now I have two options.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब. 10,000 पॉइंट्स जीत गए आप. अगर आप एक शतक और एक दशक को जोड़ेंगे तो कौन सा अंकीय मान प्राप्त होगा? If you add together a century and a decade, what numerical value do you get? A. 1,110. B. 1,010. C. 110. Or D. 1,000.
So now I will try 50-50 once again. I'm pressing 50-50 button. It's saying sorry, you have already used. Let's go with some other lifeline. Audience poll. Time has been stopped. So this is the result of the audience poll. As C 90%, so we are going with C.
बिल्कुल सही उत्तर आपका. और आपने जीत लिया है 20,000 पॉइंट्स। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूं, देश का सिपाही हूं। गाने में बच्चे अपने साथ दूसरों को क्या गाने के लिए कहता है? ए, वंदे मातरम। बी, जय जवान। सी, जय हिंद। या डी, जन गण मन।
The answer is Jai Hind, we know all. So not going further, I'm just quitting the game. So you can check, this is all about the game. Now the student who has created this project will share his experience with you guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Pavan. As you have been seeing the CBK game, which is Crorepati Banega Kaun, this game has same environment as in KBC program. I have created this game in 2013 during my learning period of Java program under my teacher Mr. Chetan Suri. This game has same environment as in KBC, like random coming questions based on level with your audios represented by the Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. This game has the options like 50-50, flip questions and stop time. This game has background music which is very interesting. Journey of this game started in 2013 where I have downloaded many number of episodes from the internet of KBC program. Then I pick out the questions and audio which is simple and straightforward. Then I store into the database. After that I use these questions and audio for my game. So this game is very interesting and full of entertainment and knowledgeable. Hope you will enjoy. So guys, if you have any type of questions or query, please put down into the comment box. Thank you.